hard to clean your shower, we've got some tips that can help. There's only two reasons why we need to clean our shower: soap buildup and mould. So if you replace your bar soap, which is an oil-based soap, with a liquid gel soap, it's going to reduce the amount of buildup you have. The next tip is to use a preventative. You can use BAM or Exit Mold. There's a whole range of things. And the idea is that you spray that on your shower when you're finished and you leave it there. The next time you have a shower, you just use the water to wash it off. It's going to reduce the amount of times you actually have to clean your shower. So you might want to purchase one of these long-handled scrubbing brushes. They've got a universal head that twists. It's going to help get into all those hard-to-reach places and stop you having to bend and twist. When you're cleaning your shower walls, you want to keep the brush as close to your body as possible. And you want to travel with the brush up and down the walls. So when you're going to clean your shower floors, take on the staggered stance. One foot slightly in front of the other, shoulder length apart, ears in line with shoulder, in line with hips. You don't want to bend or twist. Some tips to remember: less frequent cleaning by using a gel-based soap and using a preventer, getting yourself a long-handled brush and using the staggered stance.